Hello again, Lockpicking Paul here, and what I've got tonight is Lady P, which is one of the two Thunderbirds challenge locks from Beer Can Bushcraft. So, Tinnie, this is the easier one of the two, and it's still quite hard. So maybe it's a me thing. These are tough locks, and they don't give a lot away. There's very little feedback from these. They're sort of tiny clicks, tiny movements, and I like challenge locks with big sweeping false sets. So these are definitely out of my comfort zone. They do both. I have managed to overset both of them. I have at least opened this one. Oh, I still can't open Parker. So that's up next. So anyway, we're going to get this set up in a vise. I'm going to get it picked. I won't be gutting it because these are no gut locks, but I will attach a photo of the pinning to the end of the video, should I get it open, that said. Right, so I'll get it set up. I'm going to sort it out with the focus because I've been hit by the focus gremlins. So I'll be back in just a moment. FAB. Right, all set up. Let's see if we can get this picked. I'm actually having to pick this through the camera lens, which makes life a little bit awkward. Feels like I'm making very slow progress. Getting there. Yeah. Well, that took longer than I wanted it to, but I'm sure it didn't take me that long last time. Anyway, there you go. Lady P is open. So I will tack the I will tack the begutting photo on the end. So hang around and you'll see the photo. That's it from me. Thank you very much. Enjoy your picking.